Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another weekly tip video. Although there are plenty of file renaming applications available for macOS, it's worth checking out what could be accomplished using the built-in features of the Finder. Now, renaming files is slightly different dependent on whether you're renaming a single file or a group of files. To rename a single file, all you would need to do is select the file and then hit return. And then you'll see that the file name part of the file is highlighted, ready for you to go ahead and rename the file. The file extension isn't highlighted by default, and that's to stop you really renaming the file extension by accident, because that can cause all sorts of issues when associating the file with various different applications. Of course, if you want to rename the entire file, you could just treble click on here, and that will select the entire file for you. Now, if I just hit escape to exit from there, if you want to use your trackpad to open up the file name for editing, what you can do is do a force click, and that will expose and select the file name ready for renaming. Or again, hit escape. You can always do Control right click on the file name and then go down to the rename option in the pop-up menu. Well, they're the options for single files. Let's take a look at renaming multiple files. For instance, these files here, these ScreenFlow files, if I just select these three files, I'll hold the Shift key down and just select each one. Now I'm going to try and break a habit I've had for several years now, which is to say at this point, to bring up the pop-up menu, use Control or right click. And that's a throwback to the early days when you used to have to hold the Control key down and click on an item to bring up the pop-up menu. I think most devices respond to just a right click these days. So I'm going to stop saying Control and right click and hopefully stop being teased by Alison Sheridan. So if you right click, that will bring up the pop-up menu. And you'll see here now that we have the option to rename three items. If I select that, we have this new sheet drop down from the top of the Finder window. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.